We will get to Frank here in just a moment, and then we'll check your weather forecast for tomorrow and the weekend, right?
Well, we do indeed have some trouble spots. Good evening, John. We're looking at a problem in Pittsburgh, westbound 4 at Loveridge Road. We have an accident involving a car that slammed into a wall off of the roadway and wound up back in the far right lane of the freeway. The scattered debris in all lanes. Again, that's westbound 4 at Loveridge Road. We have the car blocking the far right lane, debris in the other lanes in the wake of the crash, and the traffic brake now being put in place back at Summersville Road. Now, problem on the connector from southbound 101 over to eastbound 80 in San Francisco. Now, that's the connector from the Central Freeway over to the eastbound highway. We have a stalled sedan blocking the far left lane, and we're looking at a two-car crash in Vacaville, eastbound 80, just before Alamo Drive. Both of those cars, though, on the shore. Your next update,
Advisories in effect starting now until about 3 o'clock in the morning. With the extreme high tides, partly cloudy skies and breezy overnight with lows in the 50s. We'll see sunshine tomorrow, except at the immediate shoreline, although there may be some sunbreaks at the coast. Highs from the 60s to the upper 80s. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on KCBS.
Have you been in an accident? Chilton Auto Body has served our community for more than 50 years, and we're also the first Tesla-certified body shop. Chilton Auto Body has 15 convenient Bay Area locations to help restore your vehicle to pre-accident condition, and we make it easy for you in your time of need. It's as easy as taking a photo of the damage, uploading it to our website, and we'll get you a free initial timely manner. For more information, go to ChiltonAutobody.com.
I'm a big-name football star here to tell you about how the insurance company I'm endorsing is a touchdown. Why should you trust me? Because I'm a professional athlete. And when an insurance company is a home run or a hole-in-one, you know it's got to be the good stuff. And
this folks athlete has been in AAA Insurance. With affordable auto and home insurance, plus America's most recommended roadside assistance, AAA doesn't need athlete endorsements because we offer coverage confidence. Visit AAA.com for details and choose coverage confidence. AAA, outsmart life.
You're invited to our Tocoloma Summer of Love event, July 14th through the 23rd. Hi, this is Ronnie Heller, president of Barron's, the East Bay's #1 Tocoloma dealer. We are unveiling the latest designs from the world's famous Tocoloma collection of engagement and wedding rings, all in one place. During this event, pay no sales tax on any Tocoloma purchases. Stop by or schedule an appointment. Call 925-452-1700 or go to barronsjewelers.com. Barron's, a legacy of elegance.
Fremont Bank. If there's one thing we understand more than anybody, it's that it takes a local bank to really get the needs of local businesses. And more than anything, local businesses need access. Access to a knowledgeable banker and access to a full suite of business services. Can't come to the bank? We'll come to you. Our devotion to our clients ensures your business never misses a beat. That's why Fremont Bank remains the right choice for local and family-owned businesses. Learn more at fremontbank.com. Member FDIC.
It's 11:11. Advocates are asking Governor Newsom to intervene to stop the deportation of a man who fled Cambodian genocide as a child. KCBS's Kathy Novak reports that Poon Yu was released from San Quentin earlier this year, but was immediately transferred to ICE detention.
Speaking from ICE detention in Bakersfield, Poon Yu says his situation is urgent.
Because I know the plan will keep me up any time now.
He fled Cambodia with his family as a small child, and after experiencing violence and trauma growing up, he got caught up with gangs and was convicted of first-degree murder. But after serving 25 years, he says he's a completely different person, and the parole board granted him early release. But because he is not a citizen, he's facing deportation.
I'm asking for pardon because I feel like I deserve a second chance, you know? I mean, I feel like to be banned from here would be a life of
speak the language and has no family and friends in Cambodia. In a statement to KCBS, a spokesperson for Governor Gavin Newsom said information regarding pardon applications is confidential and we're not able to discuss individual cases, adding the governor regards clemency part of the criminal justice system. Kathy Novak, KCBS.
Cal State University trustees have voted to remove the name of a former librarian from the Fresno State Library. He discovered that his personal documents reveal he was anti-Semitic and a Nazi. Fresno campus librarian from 1949 to 1979. The library was named after him. Madden died in 1982 and left the university 53 boxes containing more than 100,000 letters and documents that were to remain sealed for 25 years. The task force found that Madden was fully aware of their revealing and disturbing content. We've got your sports line coming up next. 7:13.
Rob tried to manage his constipation with belly pain, discomfort, and bloating day after day. After realizing it was irritable bowel syndrome with constipation or IBS-C, another way, and finally said yes to adding Linzess.
Linzess, or linaclotide, is a precision medicine that treats IBS-C in adults. Linzess works differently than laxatives. It lets you have more frequent and complete